当光深入一的 precision technology called Limelight, founded in 2004, is one of the leading manufacturers of precision machinery parts in China. Our main products include customized high-precision machinery parts, 5-axis CNC machining parts, CNC milling parts, CNC turning parts, precision metal stamping parts, and sub-assembly, including welding and riveting. Product examples: high-precision CNC machining parts, high-precision metal stamping parts, high-precision aluminum heat sink parts. We sincerely welcome you and look forward to cooperating with you for a bright future.